Understanding information set in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, information set. Understanding this phrase is key to improving your comprehension of English in both everyday and professional contexts. Let's dive in. The term, information set, refers to a collection of data or facts that are connected in some way. It's like having a box filled with different pieces of information that are related to each other. This term is often used in fields like economics, statistics, and computer science, but it can apply to any area where information is collected and analyzed. To better understand information set, let's look at some everyday examples. Imagine you're planning a trip. Your information set might include data like flight schedules, hotel prices, and weather forecasts. All these pieces of information together help you make informed decisions about your trip. In professional settings, information set is crucial. For instance, in business, an information set might include market trends, customer feedback, and competitor analysis. This set of information helps businesses strategize and make decisions. A common misconception is that an information set must be large or complex. However, even a few related pieces of data can form an information set. It's more about the relevance and connection of the information than the quantity. When using information set in English, remember: 1. Context is key. Explain or understand the context to use the phrase appropriately. 2. Connection matters. Ensure the pieces of information are related. 3. Simplicity works. Don't overcomplicate. Simple sets of information are still valid. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of information set. Remember, it's all about how different pieces of information connect to form a meaningful whole. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.